Dear ladies and gentlemen, we know a lot about vitamin C. We know its relations to Hungary, in reference to Albert Szent-Györgyi. Vitamin C is a water-soluble, important, essential vitamin found in fruits and vegetables. The human body cannot produce this substance or store it for long, so, for the health of our body, it must be taken in the necessary amounts, through diet or appropriate supplements. The vitamin C content of fruits and vegetables is greatly reduced by storage and processing conditions, such as cooking. Vitamin C is degraded by light, heat and also air. So it is very sensitive. The water-soluble vitamin C taken orally in capsules or tablets is not stable in the stomach. It is broken down by enzymes in the gastric acid. For this reason, in the small intestine, where vitamin C is absorbed, it cannot be absorbed. It means that its bioavailability and biological activity are low. Non-absorbed vitamin C is excreted in the urine or feces and cannot be stored in the human body for long periods of time. This is a very serious problem when we consider the important physiological role and health benefits of vitamin C. What is the solution? Unfortunately, the classic forms, such as capsules, tablets, other water-soluble forms, are all ineffective. But a few years ago, the so-called liposomal vitamin C came out. Liposome is a phospholipid of natural origin, which has a water-soluble head group and a two-part tail group which is fat-soluble. This special, natural phospholipid material forms a small, mini sphere, and in the inside, there is the active ingredient, which is an aqueous medium. This is also where vitamin C goes, to the aqueous medium. It is surrounded by a bilayer of phospholipid, which is a protective layer. The diameter of this small sphere is a few hundred nanometers, much smaller than the size of our hair, for example. Think of this liposome, this tiny little globule, as an onion. It has several layers, and a protective layer of layers. When this liposomal, fat-soluble little sphere reaches the surface of our cells, which is made up of the same double layer, it sits in the cell membrane, releases the liquid it contains, in our case vitamin C, which is then absorbed into the bloodstream via the surface of the small intestine and is carried by the bloodstream to our various organs and cells. Based on the current scientific data and results, liposomal vitamin C clearly has beneficial properties. It provides almost maximum absorption and bioavailability. Its absorption rate is 98%, compared to a maximum of 10 to 12% for conventional vitamin C. It provides the body with a dose of vitamin C that meets its needs. Liposome allows better physiological effects and in fact allows better dose-dependent effects. Vitamin C is much more stable in liposomal form. This form also allows better biotransport into the small intestine and then from there into the bloodstream, and that's a very important thing to be able to control. More if you need it, less if you do not need it. Because of its lipid nature, the liposomal material is converted into nutrients in our cells, so it is transformed into building blocks of our cells. This is not the case with traditional vitamin C. Our new product, FenuC Plus by Flavin, is a liposomal vitamin C supplement
A
capsule.
FenuC-nek az összetevői. A C-vitamin kalcium-aszkorbát formájában van jelen.
The ingredients
Jelen
of
van egy
FenuC are
görög-szénamagból
vitamin C
kinyert
in the form of
galaktomannan
calcium ascorbate, a
anyag,
galactomannan
a
fiber
napraforgó
extracted
lecitin,
from fenugreek
cellulóz
seeds,
és maga a
sunflower
zselatin, ami a
lecithin,
kapszula.
cellulose and gelatin,
A
which is the
C-vitamin
capsule
természetes
shell.
foszfolipidekből álló
In our product as
liposzómában van
well,
a mi
vitamin C
termékünkbe is
is enclosed
beszállva,
in
és
liposomes
ezek a
consisting of
liposzómák a
natural phospholipids.
görög-szénamagból származó hidrogén rendszerbe be vannak
Then the
zárva,
liposomes themselves are placed in a
fagyasztással
hydrogen system
történik az
derived from
előállítása,
fenugreek
és ez
seeds,
nagyobb
which are
stabilitást,
produced by
nagyobb
freezing.
rugalmasságot biztosít
This provides
a
greater stability
liposzómás
and greater
formába. A
flexibility to the
FenuC
liposomal
Plus
form.
úgynevezett fenomat
This is in
technológiával
fact the
készült.
so-called
A
FenuMat
termék egy
technology used to make
önemulgáló,
FenuC Plus.
reverzibilis hidrogén rendszer,
The product
ami
is
a
a
görög-szénamagból
self-emulsifying,
származó
reversible
vízből
hydrogel
ható,
system based
egy
on water-soluble
galaktomannán
galactomannan
élelmi
dietary
rostokon
fibers
alapul. Ez egy
derived from
egyedi és
fenugreek
nagyon
seeds.
sajátos, speciális
This is a
tulajdonság.
unique and
Az
very specific
előállítása
and special feature.
technológia egy teljesen víz alapú
The
eljárás.
technology is a
Nem
completely
alkalmas sem
water-based
szerves
process.
oldószer, sem szerves kémiai
It uses
anyagok.
neither organic solvents
Maga a
nor
a
organic chemicals.
FenuC Plus
About the
adagolása
dosage of
naponta
FenuC
egy
Plus,
kapszulát
one
ajánlott
capsule per day
lenyelni
is
bő
recommended to be
folyadékban.
swallowed with plenty of liquid.
És nagyon fontos megjegyezni, hogy a FenuC Plus
It is
egy
also very important to
háromgenerációs
note that
étkezés.
FenuC Plus is a third
És
generation
itt nagyon
dietary
fontos, hogy
supplement.
döntsük el,
We can
hogy
decide which form of
egészségünk
vitamin C
érdekében
we
milyen
use for our health.
C-vitamin formát használunk.
We have options,
Van
let's choose
lehetőségünk,
wisely.
válasszunk.